We're in Richmond, Indiana at the Model T Museum, and they are holding a Model T Homecoming, which is a festival celebrating the Model T. They also have a swap meet, admissions free today, and we're gonna see some really cool cars. Let's check it out. Look at these two.
So that's that 11.
No kidding, that's cool.
You got about 10 minutes.
That's awesome.
First seminar.
I like those pups too. Are those boxers? I got one myself. Oh my gosh, look at you guys.
That front one might growl at you.
That's okay. Oh, you're good looking. This is pretty neat. This is Richmond, Indiana. This is the old historic depot district. They got the Model T Homecoming. They have a neat Model T museum here. Look at that thing. That's pretty awesome. Fresh fish for sale. It's pretty neat. Dave Toll.
Yes, sir.
What's your channel?
I don't have a channel. I'm a fisherman.
Yeah, he's a fisherman. I've never seen his no YouTube videos from him. This thing's pretty cool, isn't it? My gosh. Pretty cool 1911 plate, Ohio porcelain. So we're watching the Model T driving school. You could learn how to drive one of these things. That's pretty cool. I think they'd be pretty difficult to drive, but I don't know. I always wanted to drive a Model T, but maybe one day. Put that on my bucket list. There goes the boxers and the Model T. That was really cool to see. So why are we all waiting around? Well, these guys here are gonna assemble a Ford Model T. Supposedly 8 minutes.
Ready to manage her assembly team.
This is about to be pretty cool to watch.
I think they can do it in 7.5 minutes.
Yeah, 7.5 minutes.
Guys are all poised.
Why don't you go out there and help them, Dave?
If they ask. If
Yeah.
they start struggling, I'll jump in.
All right. Way to be a team player.
A countdown occurred and they started. So the rear wheels go on, the rear end.
Not as fast as a IndyCar pit crew, but
Rear wheels.
it'll be all right.
The guys are now doing lug nuts and putting on the front wheels.
I think we're gonna speed this thing up.
Eddie cranks the car. Ready, crank.
Three minutes and 43 seconds they reassembled
That broke
it.
my record. Wow.
Yeah.
I'm embarrassed.
There we go, 1927. Pretty cool. It's won some car shows. I don't know if I could even squeeze in that thing. Look how, I guess I could. Wow. Look how pretty this thing is. Beautiful. These things are just kind of a work of art to me. This is a pretty impressive festival. They call it a homecoming, this incredible Model T museum here. It's only $5 to get in. It's really a neat thing. I really like these Woody wagons. That is just so cool. Hey.
I want to tell everybody, if you're interested in eating lunch.
There's a work in progress right here. What's that, a 1927?
As you look at the cars in our car show and walk through our swap meet.
Oh man, that's nice. Oh, look at this thing. This is nice. Wow. Let's see what year it is. 1934. That's cool. What are you eating? Ice cream?
Ice cream.
Always?
You hear that hit and miss engine
Yeah,
over there?
yeah.
Old John Deere made this.
Nice. I like this. I like this right here.
I like the bumper sticker.
Life's too short to drive boring cars. That is the truth. Yeah, this is cool. This is across the street. It's incredible. I saw a Texaco. Let's see. Oh, that's cool. Look at that. Old field truck. Man. Look at this. This is so cool. It's an old tow truck. So this is an impressive museum. It's gotten expanded since I've been here. The nice thing about today is it's free to come here. Normally it's only, I think, about $5 or $10. I don't know. I'll find the price out for you and let you know. These are just incredible. Neat Ford tractor. Kind of like an old showroom would be like back in the day. This is really neat. Kind of reminds me of the Packard Museum, where they got the old office and stuff.
You know, the lady I bought it from, her father-in-law in 1982. And
Here, this will be the office, which is neat. Old neat wood filing cabinet. Really cool. This is a pretty stunning car. 1909. Oh, that's the license plate I've been trying to find.
Back here,
1929. I've been very unsuccessful finding them unless they're really rusted. Did you say 1929 license plate?
I did. It's nice. It's
I know.
Primo.
I know. I'm so jealous. I can't find one anywhere. Look how pretty this red is. What'd you say?
I don't remember that paint chip when I saw it earlier.
Yeah, I didn't do it. I got some neat cars here. Geez. Gosh, there are from all over here. I've met a guy from Missouri. This is Mississippi. Somebody from car from Dayton, Ohio. I do like these trucks, though. Oh, you're fine. How you doing?
I'm fine.
Good. Gosh, look at those wooden spoked wheels. I imagine these weren't too comfortable to drive, but they sure are neat looking. Man, this is pretty here. Look at this. 1914. Guys that came from Connecticut. That's gorgeous. Look how cool this is. Man, let's look at the front of this thing. Really neat. 1924. It's for sale. $9,200. You can take it. You buying it? It'd be fun to have one of these, I think. I think they'd be very comfortable. I don't know if I could fit in it. 1926. That's pretty sharp. My dad had a Model T. I forgot what year it was, but kind of makes me want to go find some pictures of that. There's one of me with a bowl cut sitting in the front seat. I think I was 5 years old. If I can find that picture, I'll put it on there. Nice. Here's a look at this one. This is pretty cool. 1923. That'd be fun to drive that thing out in the summertime right now. Huh. Saw some campers there. I'm thinking we'll go check the campers out. These are neat campers. Look at these things. Wow. It's pretty interesting. This will be an interesting way to travel. Probably not the most comfortable ride.
I think 9 minutes.
A lot of character though.
Last time, maybe quicker. They're going to attempt to break their own record, I would think, and put a car together and drive it away. So that's just too much.
Really cool show. Here's one that's pretty neat looking. Be riding in style, that thing. $1920. 1927. This is cool. Man.
When I told Woody, I said, hell, everybody knows you're the one.
Okay, I think I'd take this one. It'd be fun to drive, wouldn't it?
I like that windshield.
Yeah, yeah. That is a interesting windshield.
What the hell they gonna do with it? He's too damn old, it can't go. He's still paralyzed on the right side. I need to
So these are the Model Ts that you could take a ride in. We'll drive you around, which would be a lot of fun. I'm not sure how much it costs. Probably not much. It'd be fun to ride one of these. It's pretty nice looking, like the green.
Well, we're close. We're close. We got to finish inside of the building, man. We're really close.
So what a great car show this was, a fun event. We've seen about everything, and we're gonna grab some lunch.